Well, when watching YouTube, is a YouTube video freezing or audio is missing? So in this video, I'm basically going to show you some tips and tricks on how you can make your YouTube video much more smoother and also audio much more faster. So first, what you have to do is, let's say I am watching this YouTube video. Then what I will do is, if the audio's resolution is high, quality is high, then I would lower it down. Let's say the quality is up to 1080 ping, then I would lower it down to 480 or 720 ping. So another thing that I would do is I would go to settings and then search for apps and then go to YouTube and simply force stop YouTube for some amount of time, and after that YouTube will run much more faster. The second thing that I would do is disable use VP9 decoder, which is in developer settings for some Android users. Or simply what you can do is restart your phone and your YouTube app will run much more faster. So these are it. These are the simple tips and tricks that you can use to make your YouTube video run much more smoothly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.